climbing the nails.
Wait, what are they doing in the picture? What are they doing?
Let's find out.
Okay. What happens next?
Let's see what the wires are. The machine digs a big hole inside the wooden floor. Large bricklayers, large wide bricks. Bricklayers with long, slide, hard floors. Next, they put up a large, big wall.
Mm-hmm.
And they saw 3 walls and put them on the house.
Okay.
Put them on the chimney and a fireplace in the sun. And the pipes broke.
The pipes broke?
Yeah.
Oh dear. Who fixes the pipes?
Electrician.
The plumber?
No, plumber.
Mm-hmm.
Put them together.
Now who's that?
Well, it's the electrician.
That's right. And he puts in the what?
He puts in the lights.
Very good.
And the lights finish the row. And he's putting the door and the window too. And paint a large paint.
They paint the house?
They paint
Good girl.
inside and inside.
Good.
Okay.
Lila.
And?
And they have the house
Good job.
Okay.
And the house.
And what's the very last page say? It's my favorite part. What happens at the end?
Happily ever.
Who lives happily ever after?
All the whole family.
Oh.
The bell rang again.
Oh, you hear the bell? I think that's just Daddy feeding the cats. Do you like that house? I mean, do you like that building a house book?
Oh, that was Bell.
Bells, okay.